3 o'r gloch. Croeso nôl I 10 am 3. Helen dwi, shwt ych chi? Da iawn, I hope. So, heddiw, gwers 25. Can't believe it. Gwers 25. Remember to ask any questions or any observations as we go along. Okay, ddoe, yesterday, gwers 24, we had quite a lot of new vocab, so let's go over it. I'll show you my prompts. You tell me the word. Llaeth yn y de, llefrith yn y gogledd. New love. Bara. Dwi'n hoffi bara, so we get through a lot of it. Bara. Caws. Tatws. Been open to. Siocledi. So, chocolate, siocledi. And still haven't got any biscuits in the house, but biscuits. Bisgedi. Da iawn. And then we learned the phrase, which I hope is very useful for you, to ask, is there any, are there any here? So, oes coffi yma? Oes coffi yma? And then we started building some new dialogues. So, you'd ask me, is there any coffee here? Oes coffi yma? I'm going to answer oes. And then you're going to say, oh, very good. I want a cuppa. Okay, let's try. So, is there any coffee here? Oes. Very good. I want a cuppa. Da iawn, dwi eisiau paned. So, oes coffi yma? Oes. Da iawn, dwi eisiau paned. And again, but this time you need the llaeth or the llefrith. Oes llaeth yma? Oes. Da iawn, dwi eisiau paned. Oes llaeth yma? Oes. Da iawn, dwi eisiau paned. Nesa, you don't want a paned, you want something else. Ask me if there's any of this stuff here. Oes. Da iawn, I want a drink. Da iawn, dwi eisiau diod. Oes gwyn yma? Oes. Oh, da iawn, dwi eisiau diod. Okay. New word. Brechdan. Brechdan. Brechdan, you need your bara. Brechdan is a sandwich. If you've got children in a Welsh school, I'm sure you'll be more than familiar with brechdanau. They're either cinio, dinner, or brechdanau. If you've got children who are learning in English schools, you may also be familiar with brechdanau, because I think children say there also, cinio or brechdanau. Sandwich, brechdan. 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 So, I want a sandwich. Dwi eisiau brechdan. So, this time, you're going to ask me, oh, is there any bread here? Oes bara yma? Oes. Oh, very good. I want a sandwich. Da iawn, dwi eisiau brechdan. Oes bara yma? Oes. Da iawn, dwi eisiau brechdan. Okay, and we'll do that for a few more fillings. Is there any cheese here? Oes caws yma? Oes. Da iawn, dwi eisiau brechdan. How about tuna? Tuna is tuna. Oes tuna yma? Oes. Da iawn, dwi eisiau brechdan. And finally, ask me if there's any ham here. And ham is ham. And this time, tell me you want a ham sandwich rather than just a sandwich. Brechdan. Okay, is there any ham here? Oes ham yma? Oes. Da iawn, dwi eisiau brechdan ham. Great. So I hope you'll find those useful. Now, if you're answering oes, The next question, which I often get, might be, well, where is? Yeah? And where is yw ble mae. Ble mae. In North Wales, lle mae. Lle mae. People will understand ble a lle. Ble mae. Ble mae. How do you say, oh, where's Mum? Ble mae Mum? Where's Dad? Ble mae Dad? Where's Jack? Ble mae Jack? Yeah, we've got lots of sentences with mae, haven't we? Mae Mam yn gweithio, mae Dad yn chwarae pêl-droed, mae Jack yn gwylio cyw, and so on. But the question, ble mae? Now, oes bar yma? Oes. Oes caws yma? Oes. Oes llaeth yma? Oes llaeth yma? But to ask where is the milk, we would say, ble mae'r llaeth? If I said ble mae llaeth, I'd say where's milk? As if milk was a name, yeah? So we need to say, ble mae'r llaeth? A chi? Ble mae'r llaeth? Ble mae'r llaeth? Okay, ask me the question. Ble mae'r caws? Ble mae'r caws? And you probably get the answer. Now then, let's see if we can build. How do we describe the weather in this photo? Mae hi'n oer. And we'd obviously keep the llaeth and the caws in a place which is oer. So the word for fridge is oergell, a cold cell. It's quite hard if you can't remember it. Lots of people say fridge. Yeah, we'll practice oergell for a different reason. Okay, so, oes llaeth yma? Oes. Oh, da iawn, dwi eisiau paned. Ble mae'r llaeth? Yn yr oergell. Yn yr oergell. A chi? Now, the word for the is Let's have a listen. Yn y oergell. Yn y oergell. My lips are working far too hard there. If we've got a vowel, becomes Yn yr oergell. Yn yr oergell. Yn yr oergell. Okay, I'm going to show you lots of different items. I want you to put the in front of them, okay? And believe it or not, we hadn't learned any words beginning with a vowel. There's no tricks here. So just tell me what they are. A gwin, da iawn. A te, da iawn. You can see that that is slightly lighter in pronunciation when you put it in front of a word, yeah? A pysgod. Oops, bara on the floor. The bag. A bag. A cap. A car. On the fridge, yr oergell. So let's learn 2 items of vocabulary which do start with a vowel. This is an afal. 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 A for apple, A for afal. And this is an oren. 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 Oh, sounds quite like orange. Afal, oren. I show you the prompt, you say what it is. Afal, oren. So, the apple, yr afal. The orange, yr oren. Everybody get that? It's all to do with the year, really. So, afal, but gwin. So, let's go back. Oes llaeth yma? Oes. Oh, da iawn. Dwi eisiau paned. Ble mae'r llaeth? Yn yr oergell. Yn yr oergell. A chi? Yn yr oergell. or yn y fridge. Dim problem. Iawn. So, today's challenge. How many blemau or blemairs can you think of? Go around the house, yeah, saying, oh, blemau Fleer, blemau Gwynfor, yeah, blemau'r Western Mail, blemau'r bag, blemau'r llais. Da iawn. Diolch yn fawr. Gwela i chi fory. See you tomorrow. Hwyl.